2022 Kia Sportage with the 2.4 4-cylinder, and today we're doing an oil change. Let's get to it. Over at our computer, you can see this vehicle requires 5W20 or 5W30 full synthetic at 5.07 quarts. And for this oil change, we're going to be using the CarQuest 85334 oil filter. All right, underneath the vehicle, we can see the oil filter located right here at the front. And your drain plug is located right here in the back. It is a 17 millimeter. While that's draining out, we're going to go ahead and get to this oil filter. Broken loose, go ahead and give it a good spin. Let that oil drain out of the filter. And then get impatient and go ahead and screw it off anyway.
Do you need my email?
At this point, go ahead and check the oil filter housing. Make sure that O-ring came off in its entirety from the filter. You want to make sure this O-ring stays on the filter, or else you could end up getting a double gasket and you have a massive oil leak. With your new oil filter and your oily hand, go ahead and lube up that new filter and install. And put that oil filter down hand tight, no tighter, no tools, nothing. At this point, go ahead and inspect your crush washer for your oil drain plug. This one looks in good shape, so we're going to go ahead and reuse it. If it looks old or crummy or cracked or anything like that, go ahead and replace it at this time.
Yeah, I got it. I just got it. Oh, well, thank you. Have a great day.
Alright, once you get that down, go ahead and get a good knock. And that's it. With everything on the bottom end buttoned up, go ahead and spray everything that you touch down, mainly the oil drain plug and the oil filter. So that way if you see oil there next time, you know you might have an oil leak, not that you just left a mess. Alright, up top side, here's your oil cap. Spin that off. Go ahead and add your oil. And put your cap back down tight. 2022 Kia Sportage with the 2.4 inline 4-cylinder. We have just performed an oil change and now we're going to reset the oil life. To go ahead and reset your oil life, go ahead and hit your page button right here. Scroll to your user settings. Use your little up-down toggle right here to scroll down to service intervals. Press the OK button. it'll bring up your service icon. Press and hold the OK button. Reset time and distance, press OK again, and you have been reset. If this video helped you out, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you next time.